Beehive Geyser is a geyser in the Upper Geyser Basin of Yellowstone National Park in the United States. The 4-foot-tall cone resembles a beehive. Beehive's indicator is a small, jagged cone-type geyser located about 10 feet from Beehive. History: on September 18, 1870, the Washburn-Langford expedition entered the Upper Geyser Basin along the Firehole River. During a day and a half of exploration, they named 7 geysers they observed erupting. The Beehive was one of them. The following is Langford's description of the Beehive in his 1871 account of the expedition. 100 yards distant from the giantess was a siliceous cone, very symmetrical but slightly corrugated upon its exterior surface, 3 feet in height and 5 feet in diameter at its base, and having an oval orifice 24 by 36½ inches in diameter, with scalloped edges. Not one of our company supposed that it was a geyser, and among so many wonders it had almost escaped notice. While we were at breakfast upon the morning of our departure, a column of water, entirely filling the crater, shot from it, which, by accurate triangular measurement, we found to be 219 feet in height. The stream did not deflect more than 4 or 5 degrees from a vertical line, and the eruption lasted 18 minutes. We named it the Beehive. Eruptions of Beehive Geyser last about 5 minutes and are 200 feet high. The fountain maintains its full height for the duration of the eruption, dropping just slightly near the end. A roaring steam phase concludes the eruption and can be heard a quarter-mile away. The interval between eruptions range from 16 to 18 hours to 1 day during the summer. Winter eruptions are very erratic. There are occasions in both summer and winter that there are a series of eruptions that are quite regular. These eruptions have an interval of 10 to 20 hours, with longer intervals near the end of the series. As of summer 2009, Beehive was having predictable eruptions every 11 to 14 hours. Sequence near Beehive is a smaller geyser that can often be used as an indicator of a pending eruption of Beehive. This geyser, named Beehive's indicator, sends up a 15 to 25-foot fountain between a few seconds and 30 minutes before Beehive erupts, averaging 15 to 20 minutes prior. Once Beehive starts erupting, the indicator continues to play during part of the Beehive eruption and then stops. For a period of 3 years in the 1990s, Beehive was dormant. During this time, the indicator would erupt for extended periods, as long as 60 minutes with no Beehive eruption.